buddy for the share pillar. Sharing means using a little of what you have to make someone else's day brighter.
Like when I share my candy with my friends?
Exactly. But you can also share your money, maybe to help animals, families, or kids who need a little extra help.
You're telling me to give away my money on purpose?
That's right. When we share, it doesn't make us lose. It makes everyone else gain. Let me show you how it works.
Harry's classmates are on a field trip to the dinosaur museum. They spend the day exploring, looking at giant dinosaur fossils, and having fun together. Later on, one of Harry's classmates realizes he forgot to bring money from home to buy a souvenir. Oh no! Harry hates to see a friend feel sad, so he decides to share some extra money he earned raking leaves. Nice work, Harry. Now his friend is happy again, and Harry gets a really good, warm, fuzzy feeling inside, knowing his decision to share his money turned a frown upside down.
Now it's your turn, buddy. Think of one way you can share, maybe by donating a toy, helping a friend, or giving a little of your allowance to someone who needs it.
I donated to the kids' hospital.
I donated money to help families in my community.
My family bought toys for kids who didn't get any at Christmas.
When we share, the good news grows. Maybe you can give a few coins to help others, or share your time, toys, or talents. Every little bit adds up and makes the world brighter for everyone. When you share, you make your community and your heart a little bigger.
Man, I'm so close to buying that new baseball bat I've always wanted.
Every day, dogs in shelters are waiting for someone to help them. For just 7 cents a day, you too can sponsor a puppy. This puppy.
What's wrong, Rowan?
I really wanted that new baseball bat, but those dogs really need my help.
Yeah, it's a tough choice. But remember, sharing doesn't mean you have to give everything. Even a little can help a lot.
Call the toll-free number on your screen, and we will get you in touch with your puppy coordinator.
See, it feels good to share our money for a good cause.
You too can sponsor a puppy.
If you practice being a good money buddy, over time, you'll learn how to use your money wisely.
You can earn money, use some for your needs before your wants, save some for later, and spend some to enjoy.
And once you've taken care of what you need, you may have a chance to share and help someone else out.
Sharing money can look lots of different ways. Maybe a friend forgot their lunch money.
Maybe you give to charity.
Maybe you help someone who needs a hand.
When we share, we can make someone's day a little bit better. And that gives us a real good feeling inside.
Because money is not just for helping ourselves.
It can also be a way to help others.
Yeah.
That's right.
Wow, we've already reached the end of episode 7, guys. What a fun journey we've been on together.
Yeah! We learned how to build money by earning it.
Use it for necessary things we need first.
Deposit and save it in our money jars and bank accounts for later.
Defend it, guard it, protect it from sneaky squirrels.
Invest it so it can grow into a big money tree over time.
And every now and then, make sure you enjoy it by spending it on fun things that make you happy.
And when we can, it always feels great to share our money with others.
That's the buddy's way. And guess what else we learned? Money isn't hard or confusing.
Yeah, in fact, it's pretty fun.
And exciting!
And super powerful when you use it the right way.
The more you learn, the better you get. And the better you get, the more your money can help you live your most happy, helpful, and awesome life.
So keep learning.
Keep growing! And keep being a money buddy. We'll see you next time.